COMFRC is a dedicated group of professionals, and we have two sets of professionals. We have one group that's providing maintenance, repair, and overhaul solutions for the warfighter, and then we have another set that are the engineers, the logisticians, and the program managers that are finding intellectual solutions to the problems that face the fleet.
COMFRC plays a vital role for the warfighter. It's where the aircraft engines and components get repaired and back into the hands of the end user.
As we talk about how we're viewed to the NAE and to our customers, we need to be thought of as a ever-evolving, a learning organization that's willing to go take challenges and then understand what it takes to meet those challenges. So we're going to have to be creative, we're going to have to be adaptive, we're going to have innovation. All of those things are going to be important regardless of the product line that we talk about.
We made a lot of great strides with NSS on the PMI lines, obviously starting with the Super Hornet platform. We are now off and running and expanding that to the other type model series as well. With NSS, it brought a much more renewed focus in working with our industry counterparts to implement commercial best practices, as well as a strengthened collaboration with our NAE stakeholders.
So I think as we talk about the priorities, we've got to break it down into three components first. So as we talk about the strategic planning continuum, there's three distinct pieces of that. There's the foundation, which is the commander's intent and the strategic plan itself. Then there's the operational plan, which is the yearly execution of that strategic plan. And then there's the workload. And by workload, I mean what workload do we take on to actually now go out into the future and discuss and talk about what we're going to do as a workforce. So as we look at that, the strategic plan and commander's intent being the foundation has the four focus areas that we're going to look at really hard over the next several years and talk about what's our long-term strategy for meeting the needs of the NAE. So part of that is going to be the identity. So what is our identity? The second piece is going to be a 21st century workforce and workplace. The third piece is going to be infrastructure. And then the fourth piece is expanding our partnerships and agreements.
So with the new strategic direction, I think what the COMFRC workforce will see is a more focused plan on identifying those top priority activities that we want to do within COMFRC and then getting the appropriate resources in place to make sure those priorities are met within reasonable timeframes. And with that, it's continued work with NSS, it's continued focus on driving down turnaround times and improving the way we meet our supply commitments for the fleet.
We're looking long term and we're looking at a 2030, 2040 type of environment. And our job is to understand what that landscape is. And so there's going to be some things that, hey, it may not be in the skill set today, but it's something that has to evolve. So I think that as we talk to our employees, whether that's military or civilian, we've got to listen to them. We've got to understand what they believe the right resources needed are to do the job.
How can we better prepare our workforce to become the 21st century workforce of the future? How can we equip them with the right processes, the right tools to make them more productive and more efficient at their jobs? And getting the feedback from the workforce on those things as we work together in the future will be vitally important as well.
So as we look at COMFRC and what we're going to be viewed in the future, it's not just the MRO, maintenance, repair, and overhaul type facility. We provide engineering and logistics solutions as well as programmatic solutions. Two different sets of skills and two different workforces, but in the end, it takes the same thing to produce a good product.
Our workforce has always been up to the task. We've got some of the best, if not the best, engineers, logisticians, artisans, business professionals across the command embedded within the FRCs. And without a doubt, with their commitment, we will get to where we want to be from an FRC standpoint in the future.